Alright everyone, we'll show that the robot sends and receives data with the PLC through group input and output function. We can see that now the PLC sending on the touch screen here is 2. Then the robot side GI1 is also 2. Then we change the data to 3 on the touch screen, and we can see that the value of the robot side GI1 is also 3. Next, we can see that the data MB10 on the PLC is 3, and we transmit 3 to MB50 through the move instruction. Next, let's look at the methods for realizing the process. Let's first take a look at the PLC variables list. Here we can see that GI1.0 to GI1.7 corresponding to M50.0, M50.1, M50.2, all the way to M50.7 and 50.1 and 50.2 are true. Let's take a look at the program above. By copying the program, we can see that GI1.0 is copied to DO0.0, GI1.1 copied to DO0.1, GI.2 copied to DO0.2, GI1.3 copied to DO0.3, GI1.4 copied to DO0.4, GI1.5 copied to DO0.5, GI1.6 copied to DO0.6, GI1.7 copied to DO0.7. We can see that after the copy instruction, the data values corresponding to Q0.2 and Q0.3 are true, and then the values corresponding to Q0.4 to Q0.7 are all false. That's to say, after copying this 8-line program, the data on the touch screen can be copied to Q0.2 to Q0.7 and then sent to the robot. Alright, next we see that the GO1 value of the robot side is 4, and the data in the ID box of the receiving robot data on the touch screen is also 4. When we modify GO1 to 2, we will find that the receiving robot data also becomes 2. The robot's GO1 is copied to IB0 through the main output function, and then copied to MB54 through the move instruction. The variable name of MB54 is GO1. Next, we can take a look at the interface on the touch screen. Alright, we can see that the PLC variable corresponding to the edit box of receiving robot data is J01, and the data corresponding to J01 is 2.